Welcome to this course. I made this video to introduce Python programming language to you. Python programming language has been the fastest growing language in the tech industry, and the reason being that people from different professions have embraced it to solve problems in their profession. Professions like software engineering, mathematics, statistics, data analysis, network engineering, accounting, and is even a favorite to case, a language they feel that is very easy to master, to catch up with in learning coding. And the software in the past has the capability, even till present. The capability is even getting more easier. Which capability? The ability of solving complex problems, writing few lines of code, because of the availability of different library that target a particular problem. Library that target a particular problem. There are many in Python. And another thing is that the language has been used in the past to solve problems in data analysis and web automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, and web app development, desktop app, web scraping, to mention just a few. So the language has the cross-platform capability. That is, if you are building a solution that can work on Windows, Linux, Mac OS, iPad, iPhone, and all that, you only need to build a single solution. When it is on different OS, it still works seamlessly. Another thing is an high-level language. An high-level language of simplest syntax ever. So that makes it a choice of beginner. It makes it a choice for beginner to enter into coding. So another thing is that it has a very huge community. What this means to a beginner is that you are in the community of experienced developer experts that have one way or the other solve likely problem you are likely to be facing in your own journey, making your own journey an easy ride. So thereby, it is a language with very large ecosystem of developer, making your own experience an easier one, And I want to, on this note, welcome you to this program, this course, Introduction to Programming with Python. My name is Jalil Kolapo, a passionate developer with a very deep interest in taking away the fear of coding from beginners like you, by providing a guidance that is very clear to many. And it is my hope that we will learn together and will solve complex problems together, and build solutions